Making our headline news this evening, dogs are barking like chickens. These are not the stories making our headlines this evening. I'm out. And now for the details. Some sports require speed, other sports require strength, but some sports requires skills that can be only obtained after many years of practice. A teenager was held up and robbed by a Jamaican terrier on the playground. He is seen right here in my background. He spent all his life being man's best friend. Now he wants to become man's favorite bird.
Something all right?
Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Don't keep the fun to yourself. Share it with your friends and family. And remember, click that notification bell because YouTube will not send you anything more from me. Until next time, big up yourself and stay strong.